Hi, this is our 11th day of our 12 Days of Christmas giveaway. Welcome to my channel. My name is Darla, and we are coming to a close of this fabulous time that we've been having. So today, what we have Holidaze collection for Smashbox, and it is their contour spotlight palette. Super excited. I picked up one of these for myself and one for you. This is part of Smashbox's Holidaze line. They had a local LA artist do this collection. I absolutely love it because I think it's a year-round design that you can, you know, carry in your purse, have around, and it's not gonna look all Christmassy. And if you haven't checked out the other items, go and do it because it is limited. You know, once they're gone, they're gone. They're not going to be hanging around. I'm going to show you this palette. It's absolutely beautiful. I had to have it. You know how I love the lipstick. I did a video on this Holidaze collection already of the lipsticks, which I'm absolutely loving. And I had to buy one more thing. There's a few items in this collection. It has the lipsticks, the liquid lips. It has a priming set where you get the primer water, a primer for the face. They're like original Smashbox photo finish primer. And then one other thing, I can't remember off the top of my head. And then they have this. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's beautiful. There it is. Hopefully you can see it. It is so gorgeous. You get 9 different bronzers, highlighters. You can use them on your face. You can use them on your eyes. You can even pop some on your lips. They're so, so beautiful. This is the brand personally for me that I use for contouring. I love it. They are not overkill. It's just, it is what it is. It's great product. You get it on and you contour in a way that is complimentary, but it's still you. You know, you guys, sometimes I watch some of these contouring videos and I don't want to change me. I want to still look like me, just a better version. That's what makeup's all about. You just get a better version of yourself. You're bringing your beauty that you naturally have. You enhance it with makeup. You don't change it. So that is one thing I do love about Smashbox as a whole when it comes to contouring. They enhance your beauty. And to me, that's what it's all about. In this, you get 9 different shades. Crank It Up Champs, Pink Nighty, Crank It Up Gold, Contour, Bronze, Highlight, Blow and Fuse Pearl, Pearl's Gone Wild, how cute. Crank It Up Rose Gold. The Crank It Up ones are going to be super shimmery right in here, these corners. This 3 right here in the middle, which is the Contour, Bronze, and Highlight, they have a 3 color palette that is a contouring little kit that I live for. Like, I love it, love it. And that happens to be in here as well. That was one of the things that I wanted. You know, I'm not a huge, I highlight here and there. I'll use it for shadow. It's great for that. But that highlight kit, oh my gosh. I mean, the contour kit that's in there in the center is awesome. So this is my number 11 giveaway. Super excited to give this and share it with you guys. Make sure that you enter, and I'm gonna give you the ways to do that. Number 1, be subscribed to the channel. Number 2, like this video. Number 3, comment. Hopefully you've used Smashbox. It's one of my, it's one of my favorite lines. I love their stuff. I love their formulas. Hopefully you've used something in the line. Let me know if you have. And if you haven't, well, maybe you'll win this palette and you'll fall in love like me. Number 4, again, Instagram or Facebook. I'll have the details below. And US only. Make sure you're watching tomorrow I have one more giveaway for you, and then we will be posting the winners to these. So this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Wednesday is today. Thursday, tomorrow will be our 12th day, and then we'll choose the winner Saturday evening, and we will post it on Sunday. Take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.